how to add the frequency. Okay, just press the settings menu, go to radio control, password default. Okay, just press OK, go to channel setup, then frequency and name. See if this is already edited. I use ABC, or you can use whatever name you want to put. Just press this one, the arrow down, then you can press this one, then you can add you can edit the name. Okay, if you cancel, just press this one, X. Then for the frequency, if you this one, you see the 126. If I scroll the volume, it will change one step. Then if you want to change the kilohertz, you can press this volume knob, then you can scroll. The steps is 25 kilohertz, and press OK. Then go to exit X. Okay, now you can see your frequency name. I just put A. Then if you want to edit this one, you put channel 2. When I press channel 1, this is channel 1. Channel 2 is my lit B, and channel 3 is my D. Okay, if you want to edit that one, if you want to put channel 1 to frequency name B, you can just press the volume knob, press the frequency. Oops, again, just a little quick, frequency. Then this is your A frequency, just press OK. Then again, press again the knob, then save to channel 1 if you want to save channel 1. So if you want to save channel 1, save. Okay, okay, store channel. So meaning you store in channel 1. If you want to store channel 2, you can choose, then press OK. Then now you can see your channels A, B and C. Then your channel A is your frequency name A is belongs to channel 1. Frequency B now in channel 2, and letter C you don't have any selection, and D you're in the channel 3. So now you can exit. Now if you want to select channel frequency B, you go to channel 2, and if you want to select frequency D, you go to channel 3. Okay, how to switch off Jotron. Press one time, then press again, 1 2 3,